Bioperfectus nucleic acid extraction instruments require proper inspection, maintenance and care at specific intervals. To achieve the highest possible extraction reliability and accuracy, follow the following steps to maintain the good condition of the nucleic acid extraction system. Step 1. Check voltage output meets local requirement. Step 2. Make sure the appearance is intact and clean the cover. Step 3. Check all shells are in horizontal position. Step 4. Clean inner wall with 75% ethanol. Note: do not spray any liquids to the walls. Step 5. Clean door with wet cloth. Note: do not use ethanol to clean door. Step 6. Inspect whether magnetic sticks are free from rust or magnetic beads. Step 7. Check whether fan filters need replacement. Step 8. Check functionality of UV lamp. Step 9. Run a test run with empty plate and sleeves to check shells position. A. Magnetic sleeves should be in center of plate column. B. Magnetic sleeves should be close to plate bottom. C. Magnetic stick should be close to bottom of magnetic sleeves. Remember to power off system in a daily basis. Last but not the least, if you have any issues during routine inspection steps above, please contact Bioperfectus technical support or local distributor for further assistance.